Hello?
What's up, bro?
Oh, hey, man, what's up?
Hey, what you doing right now?
Oh, not doing much, man. I'm just in the shop, piddling. Can't decide what I want to do. Distributor video, model truck video, you know.
Hey, I got my blower motor resistor in today.
Oh, yeah?
You think you can help me put it in?
All right, well, let me grab my tools.
Cool, bro. Thanks, man.
All right, goodbye. It's another hot day. All right, so we're heading out to Jason's Paint, Body, and Glass, and he's been having some air conditioning trouble. The blower motor resistor doesn't work. We know this, so he ordered one and it came in, and I'm gonna go out there and put it in and shoot a video about how to do it. A lot of you guys are wondering how to do it, or may not know how to do it, but we're gonna take care of that today. All right, guys, hope you can hear me okay. Today we're in Jason's truck, and he's been having trouble with air conditioning not working. And what it is, got my key on. A lot of you may have experienced this before, but you turn it to number 1, no fan. Number 2, no fan. 3, oh, we got fan. 4, we got fan. And his AC, you can hear the clutch kick on. If we turn it on, it turns on the 1 and on the 2, but on the 3 and 4 it don't. It's all circuitry, and this is what is responsible. It's the blower motor resistor. This guy right here. And so you've got like 3, let me see how you can see, 3 springs on there, and iPhone, let me try to touch it and see if it'll focus. 3 springs, okay, and it's got a piece of ceramic on it to keep them from touching and from breaking. So each spring is a different gauge, and each spring offers resistance to the blower motor. So if any of these are, and that's what controls speed, more resistance, the slower it is, less resistance, full blast, right? So what happens is when these break, that's when you lose your 1 or 2. So what we're gonna do, this little guy right here hides right behind the glove box. We gotta take all of this out, and it's on top of the blower motor. We're gonna take the old one out and inspect it, put this in, and hopefully, because 9 times out of 10, this is what the problem is, hopefully that's going to solve it. It's right back there. Right back there. That's it. That's it right there. So I'm going to unplug it, and I may have to take this ductwork apart real quick. Let me see what I'm finna get into. I didn't take this apart. I feel like I'm going to do it like before and just grab me a stubby, and you have to just feel the screw, get it out of there gently. There we go. We got both of them out without losing them. I unplugged one wire. That one. Oh, sorry, video. I unplugged this wire from it, and that one I couldn't quite get loose. So what I'm gonna do now is, let's see here. That's the. I wonder if I could probably get that out of the way. That's gonna be the recirc thing. We're just gonna move it out of the way like that. Now here's our dude, and let me put the phone down and unplug it. Alright, we are unplugged. It's broken, alright. Let me get my camera right, okay. So, you can see it right there. It's broken. Let's see here. So, let's see here. This one's not broken, but very crusty. But this one's broken for sure. So anyways, we're going to put the other one in. We're going to put it in just like this. And I'm going to put the screws in. You've got to be really careful. Don't damage it, right? We're going to put it in, put the screws in, then we're going to hook our cables up. And we'll try it out. Okay, it's all back in there. You just like have to feel your way around in the dark to get those screws in. It's easy to do though. This took me about 5 minutes. Not getting any cooler. Alright, let's turn it on and see if we made any progress. To the on position. Oh look, I left it on 1, it's already blowing. 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna see if I can hear the AC clutch. Yep. This gets a little difficult as the fan gets louder. I heard it. I heard it on 3. I heard it on 4. Okay. It's all good. Let's go for a ride. Cool off. Not before putting everything back together first. Alright, let's go for a ride and see how cool it can get. I forgot something. Anyway, Jason asked me if I could get these out, and some guys are wondering how to get these out. So I thought I would try and either make a fool of myself on camera or actually get them out. So what I think we can do it with a flat blade. I think there's just a clip or something to do. I can see the clip. Let's see here. So the clip, it's actually like that. I pulled it right out and yeah. I'm not totally dumb. It's gonna be cool. Let's go to the other side. Got him! Alright, so we're going for a ride in the Boom Boom. I can tell you right now, as I pull out, ooh, I can tell you right now, air conditioning is working, feeling good. So we're gonna make a quick trip to Sonic, get something to drink, come back. Man, this air feels good. Oh man, it's a hot one today. I'm glad to be rolling in some air. I've been getting a lot of dirty looks in this truck riding through town, so I gotta get it back. Alright, here's the part of the video where we do some kind of weird outro and ask for likes and subscribes. So I'm finna do that. You know what to do. If you like the video, click like. If you've never been here before and you want to see more, please subscribe to the channel.